My name is Mansoor Juno, and I have been in technology since mid-90s. I have more than 15-16 years of experience. I have multiple certifications, like I have a CompTIA certification, I have Microsoft certifications, MCSE, MCP, MCTS, and I have a Citrix CCA and other certifications from Citrix product, and I have also from virtualization kind of certifications from VMware, also hypervisor from Microsoft. I have VCP certification, I have a VCA. NetSoft was introduced by one of my friends. He was my ex-colleague, and he was my fellow. So he introduced me this institute. I have took more than 40 trainings, including repetitions. Whenever I got chance to repeat the trainings, so I will say I have taken more than 40 trainings. NetSoft is the official partner for the multiple vendors, like I would say Microsoft, Citrix, VMware, Dell, and other kind of vendors, which gives us the official material, more hands-on, and official preparation for the labs. And when we go to the in a professional life, we go to professional life, it gives us more confidence, and that's why I will say there is a big difference between other institutes and the NetSoft. I have been to multiple centers, or I will say institutes, colleges, and I saw the big difference between these trainers and the other trainers. These trainers are most updated, certified, and hard worker, punctual, cooperative, and encouraging the student, and it makes the difference between other trainers and this institute's trainers. The trainings are intensive because I was working full-time, and I was taking trainings over here, and in this way I had a lot of time commitment here, and that's why I had to sacrifice many things in other areas of my life. The trainers give us the assignments and official labs, and gives more hands-on. The benefit is this institute is open on weekends, and we have an opportunity to upgrade our skills and get more education, especially when we are working full-time somewhere. So we have an opportunity to upgrade ourselves. And the con is it takes long hours. I have seen 99% of success stories. I have spent more than 50 to 60 hours per week on my education. Well, after you finishing your education over here, there is a session for hire me trainings, and hire me training, we are able to prepare our resumes, interview preparation, and we get a lot of help from our instructors and also from our colleagues, and this way we are mentally prepared for interview and ready for the job market. There are many things which I have learned in this institute. The most beneficial thing was the confidence I got over here. Citrix is my favorite training only because of more hands-on. I would recommend NetSoft only because of the trainers are excellent, and I have seen many successful stories. The knowledge is the best investment, and if you want to invest in the knowledge or education, you will get the best interest. So for the newcomers or who is willing to upgrade his skills or her skills professionally, so they have to be prepared, and they have to spend a lot of time and dedicated time for their education. And of course each one has his own skills, but to somehow they have to go somewhere for polish those skills, and they have to give some kind of cosmetic touches to the skills. So I would recommend, or I would say, this institute is the best institute I ever have seen.